So how long you been growing it?
Last time I cut you I cut you I think April.
What?
Cut it April to like a level number 2.
Yeah. April. Yeah, great year since April? No, this is not grow. It's not a grow.
Look up my hand there. Up on my foot, man. Me really grow here.
This is not growing. Listen, how long is this?
Try show you, man.
This is less than a centimeter. This is not even 1 centimeter. This is less than a centimeter.
Nice side.
Yeah, ear saw. Your ear saw is 2 centimeter. Ear saw 1 centimeter.
Come in there, just cut
the side.
I'm sure I did have it like before. Because I'm barber, we cut off the front, you know, so that's how
this is the barber mess you up. Okay. So where are you gonna shave? How far are you gonna shave? You gonna shave about here?
I'll show you a good example of how I do. Alright, like that, you see? It's still like this last time, so you can see which part you shave.
Okay, from here. Right, so we're gonna cut off the side here. Not we. You want me to shave it?
No, man. yeah, see it now. See, I get a full view to the side.
Okay.
So, see, I'm mostly top part, focus, man.
So, I'm gonna start plaiting it round to line up where you're gonna shave it.
So, I think the top,
but from April till now, we're in September. How much months is that, Sam? 6 months? How much months is that? May, June, July, August, September. Almost 6 months. So you've been growing it here for almost 6 months. And you only have 1 centimeter here. 2 centimeter there. And about 3 centimeter here. So.
The top did go lower, man. That's alright.
Yeah, alright, let's see. Let's see where we can get this.
Probably have to go put some cream or something like that.
No, it don't need no cream. You put too much oil.
Somebody that
there's too much oil.
If me get it twist first, we grow faster.
No, sir, twist can't grow here. See, they grip it and plait it like this.
Yeah.
Or you can't grow it. The twist is too loose on the scalp. Yeah, and when the hair is short like this, they really need to grip on the scalp to help it stretch.
You know, some hairdresser there tell me say in a September I probably reach to a level where something can go on. Fast like a Bible.
Well, you have so much oil inside it, I can't even put my thing in it. Too oily.
No problem, we'll just wash out the oil.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. A big shout out to everyone who has been following my husband's hair journey. I hope that you're all making progress on your own hair journeys. And I know you're all waiting to find out what secret ingredients I used to grow my husband hair so long within such a short period of time. And you will find out sooner than you think. I am now starting a new hair journey with this client who has been growing his hair for almost 6 months, but there hasn't been any progress at all. I am starting this journey with him to see how my product will work on his type of hair by taking the same steps I did with my husband's hair. He's super excited, but at the same time, he's lacking a lot of confidence as to whether or not this will work. But as for me, I am super confident because I have been experimenting with other clients who came back after just 2 weeks with extreme hair growth. But not everything is for everyone. Sometimes hair growth have a lot to do with what's going on inside your body. For example, if you're lacking certain vitamins, you will find that your hair will shred frequently or breaks easily. So please consider these factors if you're one of those people who tries everything on the market and nothing works. What makes my product stand out from the crowd is because I am a hairdresser. I have been braiding for the past 25 years. I started at 9 years old and I came across so many different hair conditions that prevent hair growth and causes hair loss. And for each client or family member, I always had to think about a mixture that could help each individual with different needs. And that's how I got the experience to create something that works for all types of hair. Guys, please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.